Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to add someone to Instagram close friend list. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the three-lined hamburger icon on the top right corner of the screen. From the options that open up, tap on the Close Friends option that is towards the bottom of the list. From the search bar, you can type in the username or name of anyone you want to add to the Close Friends list. Or you can tap on the small circle on the right side of their name. You can add more than one person by checking on multiple usernames. Once you add everyone you want to your list, you can tap on the Done option at the bottom of the page. And you will add your friends to close friend list on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to add friends to close friend list on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.